Hello, my friends. TeresaLouise here, and here is the next quilt coming off the Longarm that I wanted to share with you. Isn't this a beautiful quilt? Now, this is a client quilt, and very small little piecing, oh my word. But it is beautiful. And she wanted this quilted heavily, and she said she loves feathers. So it is just full of feathers. Free motion quilting, of course. And I think it turned out really well. I really love it. So also using wool batting with this that she sent over to me. And so it's going to be very puffy. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Okay, here's the back. Now you can really see the quilting much better on the back. Look how nice and puffy that is. And it's going to be even more fluffy, puffy, when she washes it. Yeah, so I'm very happy with the way this turned out, and I hope she likes it too. Thank you so much for watching.